So we've been doing this now for about maybe 5 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. We may want to go.
Let's see, walk, buddy. Come on. Are you better? Come on. Come on, walk. Come on. Yeah. That looks better to me. Come on. Well, those still a little sore on that turn, but he is walking better.
So we want to do it again.
I know, Agnes.
Are you jealous, Agnes?
Tim's her boy. She keeps track of him. What are you doing to my friend there?
How's that feel, Tim?
He is walking better.
All right, well, let's do it again, and let's
Okay.
see what happens.
Turn this way, buddy. Come on. Oh, that was a better turn. Those turns are the tough ones, huh?
Good job. Good job. Okay.